evening, tech nerds and code wizards. Let's talk about something that keeps us all up at night. Setting page titles in Angular. Yeah, I know, thrilling stuff. So, you're building this sleek single-page application, right? Everything's smooth, but then you notice every page has the same title. Your Contact Us page says Home. Your About page says Home. Even your 404 error page says Home. It's like Angular's got short-term memory loss. Now, Angular's got this thing called the title service. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? You inject it into your component and set the title. But let's be real, who wants to manually set the title in every single component? That's like naming each of your 100 kids individually. After a while, you just start calling them, "Hey, you." Then Angular 14 comes along, and they finally introduce the title property in the route config. Not like, oh, wow, thanks, Angular. Only took you, what, a decade? It's like your landlord finally fixing the sink after you've already learned to wash dishes in the bathtub. But of course, there's a catch. Dynamic routes. You know, those URLs that look like someone dropped their phone on their keyboard. Just a mess of slashes, question marks, and random UUIDs like you're accidentally hacking the Pentagon. So now, instead of a simple title, I've got to build a whole custom strategy just to make sure my page isn't called undefined. At this point, I might as well just set every page title to loading and let users figure it out themselves. In the end, setting page titles in Angular is like ordering a burger at a drive-thru. You give clear instructions, everything seems fine, but somehow you still drive away with a fish sandwich and no explanation. And if you try to fix it, oh, now you're debugging like, why does my login page say checkout? Meanwhile, Angular's just sitting there like, I don't know, man, you did this. Thank you, and remember, in Angular, as in life, nothing is ever as simple as it seems. Thank you. Thanks. See you next time.